Hello and welcome back to the Hairy HouseWife YouTube channel, and we are talking my top 5 products of the year. Hello and welcome back to the Hairy HouseWife YouTube channel, you beautiful lot, in this slightly festive video to talk about my top 5 products of the year. Now, as you can see, I've pulled out all the stops. I've got my Christmas sign, I've got some tinsel, I've got the open fire, and I've even got the cheesy Christmas jumper on. Now, before we talk about my top 5 products of the year, I'm going to go and talk to you about maybe a few Christmas idea gifts for your loved ones or yourself. But before I get into any of that, I just want to talk to you about the year I have had. 2022 has been such a cracking year for me. In this year, I've met people I could only have dreamt of meeting before. I have become friends with people I never thought I'd even get the chance to speak to. I have done things like Waxstock. I've helped out at Waxstock. I have even become a Q4 brand ambassador for the rag company. I have done so much in the last year. I can't sort of compact it into this little video. I just want to thank you guys at home, all the people who watch, all the people that support, all the people on Instagram. Thank you, because if it wasn't for you, none of this would have happened. My channel started off as a silly little idea a year and a half ago, and it is now what it is today, and it is growing by the day. The community is growing, my friends are growing, everything that I am doing is growing, and I cannot thank you guys at home enough for making this happen. Now let's talk about some Christmas gift ideas for you or your loved ones at home. We're going to start off with the cheapest item on the list. Now, I only have about 4 items on this list, and we're going to start off with the cheapest one, and that is Dodo Juice Mint Condition Quick Detailer. Now, Dodo Juice Mint Condition Quick Detailer has always been a firm favourite quick detailer of mine since the day I first used it. It is slick, it smells amazing, it leaves an amazing gloss behind. It is an absolute cracking quick detailer. Everybody I've recommended it to in the last year has become a repeat customer of buying this product, and this is on my list as the cheapest item for your Christmas gift, and it is £9. You cannot go wrong. I guarantee your loved ones or yourself will love this quick detailer, and when you do, you'll be going back like I do to buy it in 5-litre drums. Now let's move on to the next item I have on my Christmas list, and that is the Curveball brush. You can get this at the Clean and Shiny website for around about $23.95, and it is an absolute cracking detailing brush. It fits in your palm, it's made for the interior, it makes cleaning your interior door cards, trim, dash so much quicker and easier. It is a little bit pricey compared to other brushes, but in my eyes I feel it is worth it. I got mine through the Grand Ambassador program from the rag company, and I fell in love with it for the first time I ever used it. It is a real nice, soft, easy brush, and it fits in the palm of your hand. Like I said, it makes cleaning interior door cards, trim, plastics quicker as it sort of covers more area, easier again as it covers more area. It's an absolute cracking detail brush. Go check it out on the Clean and Shiny website. I absolutely love mine, and I use mine every time I do an interior clean. Now we're going to move on to the next item on my list, and this is sort of more than one item, and it is the Alien Magic Christmas Kits. Now, if you head over to the Alien Magic website, they have Christmas gift kits from $14.95 all the way up to $99.95, and they have a range of kits. I believe there's about 6 on there that I've seen, and they start from just a few items up to a mega kit of products. Alien Magic do some fantastic products. Everything I've tried from there so far has been absolutely cracking. And if you want a nice, vibrant, colourful snow foam, these are the guys that can give you that. I have not found a coloured snow foam that hits like their one does, but all their products that I've ever used so far has been absolutely cracking. They have worked like they are supposed to. Now let's move on to the last item on my list, and that is the most expensive item on my list, and that is the Dodo Juice Prismatic Detailing Kit, and it comes in at around £140. However, if you do like the look of this, discount code in the link in the description below and get yourself 10% off. But this is a detailing kit with everything you could possibly need in to clean your car, and it also comes with a beautiful detailing bag to put all those products inside. I'm going to talk about that bag a little bit later on, if that isn't a little hint for you. Now, Dodo Juice, I wholeheartedly can say I trust every single product in this brand to do exactly what you want it to do. I love Dodo Juice, as you all know. I'm a massive fan. All the products I use when I'm doing my own vehicle are Dodo Juice, and that is exactly why I buy them in 5-litre drums, because I cannot get enough of them. They do what they say they're going to do. They work fantastically, and it's just a fantastic brand. So go check them out. If you don't want a £140 kit, they have all sorts of kits and ideas and products and gifts you could buy on their website for your loved ones or even yourself. And don't forget, link in the description below, 10% off your Dodo Juice order. What more could you want? Now, there we have it, guys. That is my Christmas gift ideas out the way. Now let's move on to what you are all here to watch, and that is my top 5 products of the year. Now I'm going to do things a little bit differently to what some people do with their top products. I'm going to be listing off products that I may have used for the first time this year, not necessarily been released this year, but it's the first time I've ever used them or bought them, and I've been blown away by them. Now, last year, iDetail Pro Pre-Wash Spray hit that top spot for my #1 product of the year, and I can tell you now, I still haven't found a pre-wash spray that can knock that off the top spot for its cleaning ability. So make sure to go check out iDetail Pro's pre-wash spray. It is an absolutely cracking pre-wash spray. I recommend that you get that on your Christmas list today. Well, let's jump in and go with my product of the year, number 5. And that is Detail Kitchen Concours Cocktail Quick Detailer. God, that is a mouthful to say, but it is an absolutely cracking quick detailer. I got this sent out to me by Detailing Kitchen earlier in the year, and I was blown away with how good this quick detailer is. It is very close to being almost as good as the Dodo Juice Quick Detailer. Again, like I said in my review of it, Dodo Juice is there. Detail Kitchen is just a little bit underneath it, banging on that floor, and it is absolutely cracking product to use. I definitely recommend checking it out. And while you're there, check out all the other Detail Kitchen products. They make some fantastic products, and they also make some fantastic smelling air fresheners. So go check them out. I'll pop all the links in the description below. But let's move on to product number 4. Number 4, we are talking the Liquidator drying towel from the Rag Company. Now, this twist loop drying towel is an absolute cracking drying towel. For years, I've bought the sort of £10, £11, £12 budget ones you get from different places, and I've always been happy with those. However, once I received my twist loop drying towel from the Rag Company in the Grand Ambassador package they sent me out, instantly I could feel the difference. I could feel the difference in the quality. I could feel the difference in the thickness. I could feel the difference in the pile of the drying towel. It felt so much more thicker, more premium, more heavier. And when I used that, I was amazed at how much water that drying towel can suck up. And if you haven't seen it, it also works well as a towel for yourself when you get out of the shower. I have bought a spare one of these to chuck in my swimming bag when we go on holiday. One of those towels could dry me and the wife, save some space in your swimming bag. So go check them out. I'll put a link in the description below. If you're in the UK, you can get them from Clean and Shiny. If you are from the USA, you can get them from the Rag Company website. Also, if you do like the look of it, pop the discount code in THH15 and grab yourself 15% off any Rag Company items from Clean and Shiny and the Rag Company website. Now let's move on to product number 3. And number 3 is the Dodo Juice Prismatic Detailing Bag. Now, I fell in love with this bag the day I first see this come out, and my wife bought it for me earlier this year, and I fell in love. I've used this as a suitcase I've used it a detailing bag, not very often because I don't want to get dirty, but I fell in love with this bag and I've taken it everywhere with me. Go check it out. I'll pop a link in the description below. It is a decent quality bag, and if you do want it for your products, there's loads of different compartments to put all your bottles in, your rags in, your towels in, your gloves in, your brushes in, whatever you want will fit into this bag. It is fantastic, fantastic quality. It is well made, and it is probably the most beautiful detailing bag on the market. It's the most vibrant. I absolutely love it. Again, I don't like getting mine dirty, so I use mine as a suitcase. I use mine as a travel bag. I use it all the time. Go check it out. I'll pop the links in the description below. And again, if you do like the look of it and you want to get yourself one, 10% off with the code HAIRY10. I'll pop all links in the description below and the discount codes in below. Go check it out. But now we're going to move on to number 2. Now, number 2 is something that I only used a few weeks ago. And the reason it is in my number 2 spot is because it absolutely blew me away. And it's been something that I have sort of dismissed for years. I didn't like the idea of it. And that is P&S Absolute Rinseless Wash. Now, the reason it is in number 2 is because it shocked me at how good it is. It shocked me at the shine it left behind. And it shocked me at how easy it is to do a car with a rinseless wash. P&S Absolute smells amazing, works amazing, and is such an easy product to use. I have done a review on this. Go check it out. It's such a handy product to have, and it is a skill to learn. So make sure you go check it out. And also go check out the Rag Company videos as well. They go into a bit more in depth of how it works. However, go check my video out. You can see it was my first time using it. You can see how easy it was to use, and you can see the results I got from it. I was blown away by that product, and that is why it is in number 2. Now let's talk about my number 1 product, the product of the year 2022 that will be getting that Hairy HouseWife Product of the Year Whiskey Glass Cup Award delivered to them in the coming weeks. Now, before I tell you the product of the year, it's kind of not one product, it's sort of a collection of products that this one person does. Now, if you've had the pleasure to meet this person, to talk to this person, you will know how nice and genuine this person is. He is such a down-to-earth, fun person to talk to. I had the pleasure of meeting him for the first time at Waxstock. He is such a cracking person, such an easy person to get on with, and he has one of the most creative minds I have seen in the detailing industry. And the product of the year products is from HB Sauce for his wax creations. Now, if you haven't checked out any of the HB Sauce range, go check them out. But I'm specifically talking about his wax creations. This man is a genius. His wax creations are out of this world. His ideas are out of this world. His waxes are out this world. The pores on his waxes are beautiful. The way his waxes are presented are beautiful. This man knows his waxes inside and out. This man knows exactly what he is doing with his waxes. Kev from HB Sauce has done such a cracking job with all the waxes he has made and all the waxes I have been sent, all the wax I've bought from him, all the products I've used from HB Sauce have all been on point and never disappointed. This man is a pure genius. This man has such a creative mind. Again, if you have had the pleasure of talking to Kev, you will know what a great guy he is. You will know what a fun conversation you can have with him. You will know how down to earth that man is, and you will know how good his waxes are if you have heard of him. If you haven't, please go check his waxes out. I urge you to give one of his waxes a go. You will not be disappointed in the smell, the look, the feel, the quality, and the results you get from one of his waxes. And there we have it, guys. That has been my top 5 products of the year. Now, I didn't want to drag this out and go into detail too much about the products. Most of the products I've spoke about, I've done reviews on. Some of them I haven't, but I'll pop links in the description below. You can go check them all out yourself. Guys, I just want to thank you all at home for every bit of support I've had from you. From every little bit of love, likes, comments from every single one of you that has been there from day one to up to the people that have subscribed only a week ago. I thank you for being there. I thank you for watching my loud, shouty, leery personality in these videos. I thank you for putting up with my numerous Instagram posts and ramblings all the time. I thank you for being there. I thank you for watching these videos. I thank you for taking your time and effort to come to my YouTube channel and check it out. I cannot stress enough how much it means to me to have all of you guys at home watching and supporting and being there on the Hairy Housewife YouTube channel. So guys, I have been the Hairy Housewife. You guys have been great. Hopefully there'll be one more video before Christmas coming out before the end of the year, and that'll be coming out next week if the weather holds out. If it doesn't, then guys, I've been the Hairy Housewife. You guys have been great. If I don't see you next week, I'll see you in 2023. Love you all, and thank you for supporting the channel.